Raleigh, something big is happening, and if you thought the PNC Arena being renamed the Lenovo Center was a big change, then you will not be ready for the massive $1 billion transformation that's coming its way. I'm Gretchen Coley, founder of the Coley Group, the #1 Compass team in the Triangle, and Raleigh's real estate market continues to grow. We're here to help you understand how projects like this can impact your home values and the investment opportunities and the overall vibe of our amazing city. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stick around because you won't want to miss this one. The rebranding from the PNC Arena to the Lenovo Center. For over 2 decades, we've known this place as the PNC Arena, the home of the Carolina Hurricanes and the hub for some of Raleigh's biggest events. But in August of 2024, that era officially ended. After years with its name on the arena, PNC Bank chose not to renew its naming rights deal. While details haven't been publicly disclosed, Lenovo quickly stepped in with a 10-year, $6 million per year commitment, securing the new name, the Lenovo Center. This rebrand isn't just about a new name, it's a statement. Lenovo has called North Carolina home for over 2 decades, and according to their Senior Vice President, Ryan McCurdy, like the Hurricanes, we take great pride in being a part of the Triangle community, and we're excited to expand our partnership with a world-class sports organization. And this is just the beginning. The Hurricanes and local leaders are thinking really big. This transformation will take the Lenovo Center beyond just hockey. It's about creating a year-round experience for residents and for visitors alike. Plans for expansion. The Lenovo Center isn't just getting a new name, it's at the heart of one of the biggest redevelopment projects in Raleigh's history. The Carolina Hurricanes and local officials are moving forward with an 80-acre mixed-use development that will completely transform the surrounding area around the arena. The $1 billion plan is designed to turn the Lenovo Center into a year-round district, bringing new energy, jobs, and opportunities. And if you've ever been to a game at PNC Arena for the Hurricanes or Carter-Finley Stadium for NC State football, you know there is not a lot going on in this area. There's not a lot of places to have a drink or go grab a bite to eat before going to the game. So let's talk about what's coming. 200,000 square feet of retail and entertainment. Think restaurants, bars, shops designed to keep visitors coming back long after game day. A brand new 4,300 seat music venue operated by Live Nation, bringing their top concerts and performances to Raleigh. There are going to be more than 500 apartments with at least 10% designated as affordable housing to ensure accessibility for more residents, which is so awesome. There's a 150-room hotel perfect for visitors traveling for events, concerts, and Canes games. And I can tell you, I might be staying there a couple nights here and there for concerts. It's going to be such a fun place to hang out. What I'm most excited about, though, is there's going to be a fully redesigned outdoor plaza featuring a 600-foot promenade lined with tailgating suites, outdoor seating, and entertainment spaces. It sounds to me like Raleigh is moving into this entire sports and entertainment district type of structure. One of the things that, if you know me, you know I'm the most excited about is 2 new 3-story parking structures offering approximately 1,800 spaces. And if you have ever been to the North Carolina State Fair before, you know that this is going to be a game changer for parking. You know, no more parking a mile away and walking all the way in. You know, my pet peeves are traffic and parking. They're curing both of those. So all of this isn't just about improving traffic during events or even about improving game days. It's about creating a new lifestyle destination from Raleigh, and I'll tell you, us Raleigh residents couldn't be more excited. New updates since the initial plan. Since the Lenovo Center's expansion was first announced, a lot has happened behind the scenes to move this project forward. First, the rezoning of the 80-acre development was officially approved, which means there is a green light for everything from new retail, restaurants, and apartments, and entertainment venues. This was a huge step in making this $1 billion vision a reality, and I am so proud of Raleigh for getting this done. But not everyone is on board yet. Cardinal Gibbons High School, which sits right across the street, has raised concerns about traffic and pedestrian safety. And listen, as a parent, I can totally understand that. With thousands of students and staff commuting in and out every day, they're worried about how the increase in foot and vehicle traffic will impact the area. City officials and developers are working closely with the school to address these issues, looking at solutions like enhanced crosswalks, new traffic signals, and safer pedestrian zones to keep students protected. Another major update, the Carolina Hurricanes are not going anywhere. A new lease extension keeps the team at the Lenovo Center through 2043, ensuring that this investment in the area isn't just a short-term play. And I can tell you, Raleigh loves the Carolina Hurricanes. We come out for games. It's one of the loudest arenas in all of hockey, and we're proud to say that they're staying. Plus, part of the deal includes a $300 million renovation to the arena itself, with upgrades starting in 2025 to modernize the space and enhance the fan experience. As this project evolves, it's clear that developers and city leaders are working to balance excitement and practicality, making sure this transformation benefits everyone in Raleigh. So what's the expected impact? The Lenovo Center, formerly PNC Arena, has been a powerhouse for Raleigh's economy for over 2 decades. Since its opening in 1999, it's attracted millions of visitors for Hurricanes games, NC State basketball, major concerts, and national events. The economic impact is going to be massive. Each year, the arena contributes more than $260 million to Wake County's economy, and with over $200 million generated on-site and an additional $49 million in surrounding businesses. But here's what's about to change. The Lenovo Center is shifting from a game day venue to a full-time entertainment district. With new restaurants, retail, music venues, and even residential spaces. This area will no longer be empty when games and concerts are over. And that shift has a direct impact on real estate. When an area transforms into a lifestyle-driven destination, housing values follow. Walkability, entertainment, and high-end amenities make neighborhoods more desirable, driving demand up. This means homeowners and investors in and around the Lenovo Center will likely see property values rise as this district starts to take shape. The numbers back it up, and let's talk through those. A 2018 study projected the arena would contribute over $4 billion to Wake County's economy over 20 years, and as of 2019, it was already on track to hit that milestone. Now, with this expansion, those figures could grow even higher, bringing more jobs, more businesses, and even a greater demand for housing. For homeowners and home buyers, this isn't just another development, it's a chance to get ahead of a booming area before values climb even higher. So what's the current situation and timeline? Right now, this project is moving full speed ahead with rezoning approved, the Hurricanes locked in through 2043, and major funding secured. All eyes are on when we'll start seeing changes take shape. The first major phase, arena renovations. Starting in 2025, the Lenovo Center will begin its $300 million upgrade, modernizing the arena while keeping events running, which is going to be kind of crazy to think about. Expect a refreshed concourse, expanded seating areas, and upgraded fan experiences, all set to wrap up by 2027. Meanwhile, the entertainment district will start to take shape around the same time. The first wave of construction is expected to begin in late 2025, which is right here upon us, bringing new restaurants, retail, and residential spaces to life. Developers are projecting a 2027 completion date for this initial phase, but as with many projects of this size, the timelines could shift as work gets underway. City leaders and developers are working to ensure that as the Lenovo Center transformation happens, it remains accessible and beneficial for the entire community. With so many moving parts, this is a project that we'll be watching closely in Raleigh. You know, I've got a friend who helps to kind of bid out some of these jobs, and she said that when bidding out the PNC Arena job, they have to have an on-site person 24 hours a day, with most of the work occurring around state games, concerts, and Hurricanes games, which to me is like logistically crazy, but I think they're gonna make it happen. The Lenovo Center's transformation isn't just a win for sports fans, it's a game changer for Raleigh's economy, its lifestyle, and its real estate market. With new entertainment, new dining, new residential spaces on the way, this area is becoming one of the most sought after destinations in the Triangle. And I personally couldn't be more exciting. There is nothing better than an NC State football game, a Carolina Hurricanes game, and you know I love the North Carolina State Fair. And if you own a home nearby, now is the perfect time to start making strategic upgrades to maximize your home's value. As demand for housing in this area is going to grow, well-maintained and updated homes will stand out in a competitive market. And for buyers and investors, this is a rare opportunity to get in before values climb even higher. Once the entertainment district is fully developed, homes near Lenovo Center are going to be in greater demand and demand higher prices. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in this area, now's the time to reach out. Just reach out to us at the Coley Group and we can help you position yourself in the most massive transformations in Raleigh's history. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and this channel and drop a comment below. What do you think about Lenovo's Center expansion? We'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm Gretchen Coley and I'll see you in the next video all about Raleigh.